Hey YouTubers, this old guy doing things here. I wanted to share something with you that really was alarming to me. I just got through doing my 200-hour maintenance on this Kubota tractor, and when I first bought it, I had the Kubota folks do all the servicing on it, and then at 50 hours they did a major service job on it, replaced all the hydraulic fluids, did everything they were supposed to, hopefully did everything they were supposed to, and then gave the tractor back to me. So I'm at the 200-hour mark and I'm doing the hydraulic servicing. Well, the front end, what I found out that I wanted to share with everybody is that on the front end of the HST four-wheel drive units, the maintenance of these units is supposed to be done at 400 hours. But what I thought I would do is, since I was in here working on it at 200 hours, I said, and I'd seen this on YouTube where folks were changing the oil at 400 hours. I went ahead and went in and checked the oil in this front drive unit. What I found out was when I pulled, that fitting right there is the one that you put fluid in. And this fitting over here, this small fitting right here, is a lower fitting where you check the oil. And when the oil is coming out of there, drains out of there, then you know the unit's full. What happened was, when I was changing it, or when I checked it, I found out that it was low on fluid, and I just kept pouring fluid in and pouring fluid in. And the long story is, I put a gallon, 5 quarts. Put 5 quarts of oil in this front axle, which basically tells you that it was almost dry and run dry for 200 hours. So because it was not serviced, I had that happen. Now I've checked it out, and there was oil down in the lower part of the unit, apparently, because there doesn't look like there's any serious problem with the gears. But my recommendation to you, and my local Kubota dealer they just didn't do their job here. So my recommendation to you is, please, when you get one of these, even when you first get the tractor, pull this. This is the one thing that you can't see with a dipstick or a sight glass. Be sure and pull off or open up the small fitting right there and see if you get a drop of oil coming out of it. And if you do, your unit is full. If you don't, make sure that it's topped off. Otherwise, I talked to a mechanic on this, and to rebuild the front end on one of these is about a $3,000 job, and this is a small tractor. So please, double check this. When you get your tractor from the dealer, I would, if I were to get another one, I would ask them to pull this plug out and show me that the oil is coming out of it before I took the tractor home. Anyway, I hope this little warning may help. Keep it in mind when you get your tractor. Take care.